Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I want to find the value of this expression 21 divided by 3 times parentheses 2 plus 1. According to the rules on mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. According to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. And now we have 21 divided by 3. And we have one multiplication here and this 3. As we know, multiplication and division are equally important. So we have to solve this math expression from left to right. Now 21 divided by 3 gives us 7, and 7 times 3 gives us 21. The final answer is 21. Thank you for watching.